So fresh off the rebuild of the mock fire station, thinking, what can I build next? And I'm just looking through the city and I figure, you know what? I haven't done much with the hospital lately. And as far as redesign, not really thinking about doing much redesign of it. But what I did decide to do is build the emergency rescue helicopter. Set number 60405 at 226 pieces. Figure we could build this, add it to the city. Not a bad little set. We picked this up a while ago. As you can see, somewhat simple. Looks like it comes with two minifigs and looks like they got a winch on the side. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. What's inside is 2 poly bags, instruction book, one of the smallest sticker element sheets I've seen in a while, and the canopy. So the canopy comes loose. Not a big fan of it, but it's not a high-end set, so I see why they didn't individually wrap it. So now I'm going to put this together and give it a review. And there it is, the emergency rescue helicopter. Not a bad little build. Nice and quick, only a couple hundred pieces. I'm kind of liking it. We don't really have enough rescue helicopters. We got a lot of fire ones. That's why we decided to get this one here. And I'm liking the canopy, like the new design. Got some, the blades are pretty big. They rotate, decently. I like the tail rudder, a little bit different than what I'm used to. And this does spin. If I guess you need it for directional flying there. They do have a winch. Now, I'm liking this new rope. As you can see, it has a stud on either end. This is the first time I'm dealing with this rope. All the other ropes I've had, either you had a tie knot in it, or you had to feed a Technic piece through it. I'm kind of like this. It's a little bit simpler, a little bit easier. Now, in the helicopter itself, you do have the entrance in the back where they can load the stretcher in. Now, it did come with 3 sticker elements. As you can see, one on the back there, and then one on each side, the hospital emblem. But what I did like about it is the printed piece in the cockpit. Really cool. And it also comes with 3 minifigs. So we got the rescuer who gets lower down, pilot, along with a civilian with her flare and backpack just in case she gets lost and needs rescuing. emergency rescue helicopter. Set number 60405, 226 pieces. Like it, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll pick you up in the next video.